Good day, I am Denzel Jan Lanoy and today I am here at Sultan Kudarat State University, Isulan Campus to interview some student about ethics. Ayun, may first interviewin na tayo. I think couple sila. Hi! Excuse me, miss, pwede mo mag-interview?
Yes?
What's your name?
Antoinette po.
Do you know anything about ethics?
Yes.
What is ethics?
Ethics?
Yes,
Ethics comes from the word ethos, which means character. It's a study of morality. Ibig sabihin, it's not just rules. It studies why something is right or wrong, and how we can justify our actions.
Bombastic side eye.
What is the difference between ethics and morality?
Ethics is the philosophical reflection of why an action is right or wrong, while morality is right or wrong according to rules, laws, or special or social norms. In short, ethics studies morality, and morality is what we consider is right or wrong is from our actions.
What does it mean that ethics is critical?
Ethics is critical because it reflects on the principles, consequences, and reasons behind actions rather than just following rules.
Ha? Ano to? Nag-walk lagi. Okay ka lang, pre? Ano to? Woman.
A few moments later.
Amang ng lahat sa alitan. Alam mo naman na love kita. Cute mo pag nagagalit ka. Di ka maiyahag kita. Huwag ka nang magtat.
Miss! Excuse, miss, pwede ka ba ma-interview? Okay, what's your name? Ha? Ano? Okay, pet. What does it mean when we say ethics is practical?
Ethics is practical because it is applied in real-life situations. It helps guide our daily decisions and actions by helping us choose what is right and avoid what is wrong.
Ano daw?
Marinig mo ba?
Ano? Okay, what is morality and its justification?
Morality is the set of rules about what is right and wrong, while justification means giving a reason. It means that morality justifies ethics because rules become blind commands without justification.
Sige, tama na. So, we are here at cafeteria. So, mag-interview. Oh, ayun! I think pwede natin i-interview. Hi! Pwede ka ba ma-interview? Pwede ka ba ma-interview?
Ay. Sorry, I'm listening to Pag-ibig ay Kanibalismo by Peter Karma.
What's your name again?
I'm Lloyd.
Okay, for our first question, why do we study ethics?
So we study ethics because society needs a shared moral standards in order to function properly. However, not everyone agrees kung ano man yung tama and yung mali. So, for example, in a society, there are two groups of people, si Group A and si Group B. So, si Group A, they have actions na they label or deem as acceptable, while for the Group B, those actions are unacceptable. So, if gagawin ni A yung action, then most likely, si B ma-disrespect, ma-violate, or ma-offend. So, in a society, this will cause chaos or kaguluhan. And we need ethics kasi it helps us to understand and discuss these differences and issues in order to live together peacefully.
Okay, so what about the difference between ethics and law?
So the law, it consists of rules that is enforced by the government, while yung ethics naman are moral principles that guides the human behavior. So not everything na legal is moral and not everything na moral is legal. For example, the private companies are legal sa pag-harm or pollute sa environment kasi they are permitted by the government to do so. Pero all of us know na it is ethically wrong to harm the environment.
Oh. How does ethics influence our daily life?
So ethics influences our daily decisions kasi whether we are aware or not, we consistently decide kung ano man yung tama and yung mali. And these choices shape our character. For example, returning a lost wallet shows na we are ethically responsible and most of all, honest. So if a person is consistent sa pagiging honest, then he or she has a character na honest, truthful, loyal, and most of all, a person with integrity. While if yung person consistent naman sa pagiging dishonest, then he or she builds the literal opposite of what is honest and truthful.
Okay, last question. How does ethics help in difficulties decision?
So ethics helps us handle moral dilemmas by encouraging critical thinking and reflection. So if ever we are put in a place wherein mahirap ang magdesisyon, then ethics is there to guide our behavior. To guide and help us to make the responsible decision. So for example, picture a scenario wherein there are two friends na they talk about a very sensitive topic. So si friend number one can have two actions. So first is to tell the truth, which may hurt the second person, and the second action is that magtinikal siya. So those two actions have bad effects. Yung first is ma-harm niya by telling the truth. Yung second naman is lying, which we all know is ethically wrong. So ethics is there to guide us kung ano man yung responsible action.
Wow. So thank you very much. Hi, excuse me. Pwede ko mo ma-interview?
Ha?
Ma-interview?
Ha?
Pwede ko mo ma-interview? Hi, excuse. Sorry kayo na. So, pwede to ba ka ma-interview?
Yes, yes.
Okay, first question.
Lights out!
What?
Lights out!
Wala pa gani.
Kimi lang, be.
Okay, question. So, what is ethics?
Ha? Ikaw daw, be? So, what's your name?
I'm Denzel John Danoy.
So, the question is, what does it mean that man is a rational being?
So, it means human can think, reflect, understand consequences, and judge actions as right or wrong.
So, next, if someone acts emotionally, is that still rational?
Yes, because you still have the capacity to think. Rationality means you can reflect before acting.
Last, why can't we judge machine or animal morally?
Because they lack rational awareness and freedom. Moral judgment requires thinking and choice. What does ethics study?
Ethics studies human action and decide if they are right or wrong.
What is the main goal of ethics?
To know if a person is responsible for their actions.
What are the two objects of ethics?
The physical object and the non-physical object.
What is the physical object?
So, the physical object is the doer, the person who acts.
When a person responsible,
A person is responsible if they know what they are doing and choose to do it.
and what is the non-physical object?
The non-physical object is the action itself.
How do we judge the action?
We judge if it's good or bad.
Give a simple example of physical and non-physical object.
So, like example, if I lie, I am the physical object and lying is the non-physical object.
Okay, for our last question, Why does ethics separate the person and the action?
Because we judge the action but we check if the person is responsible.
Follow-up question. We all know cheating is ethically wrong. What can you say about those people na nag-cheat? Grabe gabi na ulang patagyapon isa. What if ikaw na lang kaya isa? Ikaw na lang isa interviewin ko.
Ba't ako?
O ikaw na lang. Kaya mo man.
Sige, wala naman tayong magagawa. Tara.
Sige, dito ta. What's your name?
I am Melbourne Club B. De Salas.
Okay, for our first question, what does it mean that man is free?
It means humans have the capacity to choose their actions. Hindi tayo fully controlled, but we have the decision-making power.
Are we truly free if we are influenced by society?
Influence? Yes, but not fully controlled. We still have the ability to decide despite pressure.
Why is freedom necessary for moral judgment?
Because without freedom, walang responsibility. If walang choice, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin moral or immoral ang act.
Last question. If someone is forced to act, are they still morally responsible?
Responsibility can be reduced if freedom is seriously limited. Degree of freedom affects degree of accountability.
Okay, thank you. Tapos sige man gabi na.
Tapos na po ba kayo, ya?
Oh, tapos na.
Pwede po ba magpa-interview?
Interview.
Opo.
Legit gusto mo?
Pa?
Gusto mo?
Opo. About po sa ethics.
Yes. Sige.
Sige. Bigyan natin ng time.
Okay, let's start. What's your name?
I'm Christopher John Inyar, and my question is, what does it mean when you say ethics is prescriptive
Grabe, walaan nyo na to.
and descriptive? When we say ethics is descriptive, it means and ethics studies and explain how people actually behave and what moral belief they follow in different societies and cultures without judging them. For example, descriptive is explain how some cultures highly value respect for elders and how different societies have different view about honesty and marriage traditions. On the other hand, ethics is prescriptive because it guides people on how they should behave by setting standards and principles that determine what actions are right or wrong. For example, prescriptive ethics teaches that people should be honest instead of cheating, and this action provide fairness and good relationship. In simple terms, descriptive ethics explain moral behavior, while prescriptive ethics provides direction for proper moral conduct. So that is what is ethics, and prescriptive and descriptive is.
Grabe, ang walang may dito. Ikaw man lang ang ginapagita naon. Thank you, Gibran.